Hi, Gareth here, and we are on Holland America's Eurodam, and I'm all the way forward on deck 12. This is as far up and forward as you can get. So we're just going to walk around some of the upper decks here real quick, and then in another video we'll walk around the lower decks. So they have deck chairs they can lay out here. We're at the end of an Alaska cruise, and I don't know if they ever got any of these out. These little roofs you're about to see, cabanas, that's the retreat, and they cost extra money. $50 a day per person, $75, $100. I'm not really sure because I got different amounts, and I didn't buy one. We're going down to deck 11. We're going to walk through the area known as the Crow's Nest. Whoops. There are actually just a few cabins right along here. And that was originally our cabin, but they upgraded us to a suite, so we took it. Here's the Crow's Nest. So this is deck 11 forward. You can get coffee here in the mornings. It's got a regular bar right there. Ship speed and direction and map, all that stuff. Prices.
Anyway.
Hi. So, and that's all it for up here. Other than the elevators and stairs, there is nothing else. So we'll go down to deck 10, and we're going to use the stairs. And this is deck 10. And as you can see from the map, deck 10 is passenger cabins and then an outside area. So you can walk along it after you go down to the end of that hall. We can get out. I'm just going to go down to deck 9 because that's where the magic starts to happen, let's say. Although I really like the Crow's Nest up there. And down here, hi, around this bend would be the gym, this fitness center, right down there. We're not going to go down there. And this is the spa. Greenhouse Spa and Salon.
Morning.
And these are the spa people, and that's the spa stuff.
Spartasians.
And the crew is very friendly and very good. So this is the Lido Pool and Bar, right? So, and they can keep it covered or they can slide these back and uncover it. We've been in Alaska for a week and it was covered the whole time. There are padded loungers here. These don't cost any extra. There's a pool. There are cabanas here. I imagine they cost extra, sort of like up in the retreat. And there's music. So there's also the Lido Bar, so a bar right there, and dive-in, which is hamburgers and hot dogs. It's included. It's free. We're gonna walk back because the buffet is right ahead of us. By the way, we're on deck 9, and this is the buffet. And it goes all the way around to the other side. We of course are on the starboard side. Hi! Everybody wants to be famous. I'm putting you in the video. So, we had a time change last night where we jumped forward, and so it's less crowded than it normally is at 7:30 in the morning. For these people, for most of us, it's still 6:30 in the morning. But you can see there's lots of food. Lots of food. Hi. And getting to be lots of people. Coffee, tea. They have a lot of kinds of tea. Of course, it's just after sunrise. That's Vancouver Island out there, if you could see it. Salad, or omelet bar. And in the afternoons, it's a salad bar. We're heading back to the very back of the ship, and I'm going to call it the Sea View Pool and Bar. And that door should automatically open. Sea View Pool. Sea View Pool and bar. There's the bar. And this is New York Pizza, and it's included. The bar is not included, plus you have a drink package. And they're playing loud music out here, but here's a pool and a couple of hot tubs and a view of the great outdoors from the back of the ship. A real point right over there, that's the smoking area. So if that's the area you need, it's right there. I'm gonna walk all the way to the back here. And that's, you know, deck 12, 11, 10, 9, although we avoided some of them, on Holland America's Eurodam. So Garrett from Port Monkey saying, see you in the next port. Bye.